Hello, students. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of tenses in English. Let's learn together. Tenses refer to the form of a verb that indicates the time when an action takes place. It helps us understand if something is happening now, in the past, or the future. Let's learn the types of tenses. First is present tense. This tense shows actions happening now. For example, I eat breakfast every morning. Here, eat describes what's happening at this very moment. Rules to follow. For regular verbs, just add s for he, she, or it. For example, he plays. Irregular verbs change differently, like Susan has a pet. Then past tense. This tense tells us about actions that happened before now. For example, we played soccer yesterday. Rules to follow. Regular verbs take ed for past actions, like I played. Irregular verbs change, like I go turns into I went. Lastly, we have future tense. This tense speaks about actions that will happen later. For example, I will go to the park tomorrow. Now it's your turn to answer. What are the three main types of tenses in English? Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 3 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.